Hello folks, in this video I will show you how to share Google Keep Notes to another Google account. So first of all, let's go on Google Keep. Now select the desired note which you want to share. For example, I'm selecting this one. After that, click on this collaborator. Now enter the Google account email here to which you want to share. For example, I'm writing this one right over here. Now click save. After that, the another Google account will be able to edit and manage this note. So that's it for the video. If you find this helpful, consider a like and subscribing the channel. Thank you very much.